Pour liquid on the bag. The effect is shocking. Take a regular plastic bag and pour a bleach-based detergent on it. Then add some dishwasher rinse aid. Now, use this mixture to clean the silver elements in your bathroom. This combination works wonders, making silver surfaces shine effortlessly. Cleaning your bathroom has never been this easy. The ventilation grill will work like new. Just one thing is enough to clean it without removing it. The amount of moisture in the bathroom and throughout the house depends on the operation of the ventilator. Few people check if it works properly, but all it takes is a piece of paper. If you put it against the grill, it should stick. If the ventilation properly extracts air, it will hold the paper or piece of paper without any problems. But what if the ventilation isn't working properly? Check if the grill itself needs cleaning. If there is a lot of dirt and dust on it, it may restrict its operation. Some grills can be removed. Before you do that, prepare some baking soda. Dilute it with water. Take the grill and a toothbrush. Clean the grill above the sink. Rinse it off and reinstall it. You can also clean the grill without removing it. All you need is a cloth and a knife. Dampen the cloth with dishwashing liquid. Wrap it around the knife. This way, you can clean the slots in the ventilation grill without removing it. Some grills can accumulate a lot of dirt. After such a treatment, the ventilation should work much better. Use laundry clips in the bathroom, and you'll be amazed at their effectiveness. Bathroom clips have a unique purpose. Few know the secret, but once you discover it, you'll surely be impressed. And so will your guests. Every bathroom with a toilet is one of those places in the house where there's usually more dirt and bacteria, and sometimes even mold. With frequent toilet use, many people use popular detergents for cleaning and disinfecting. After using them, the bathroom smells pleasant, but they work briefly and are expensive. After flushing the toilet a few times, there's no trace of them. Today, I'll show you a way to make your bathroom always smell like a luxury home, and it's all thanks to laundry clips. Though it may sound strange, such clips are suitable for this task. It's worth starting with the fact that these are wooden clips. If you already have clips, you'll also need essential oil, preferably with your favorite scent. Eucalyptus works well in the bathroom. It has antiseptic and antibacterial properties. We'll use it on the clips. Even one drop on a clip is enough for you to feel its extraordinary scent. Refreshing and pleasant. When you moisten the clips with it, place one or several in different spots in the bathroom. It could be a container for paper towels or a small trash bin placed near the toilet. You can attach a clip to the shower glass. Wherever you do this, the scent of the oil will be long-lasting in the bathroom. Your bathroom will always be fragrant.